Fruit of the poisonous tree is a legal concept that says, hey, if the police perform an illegal search and obtain evidence, not only can that evidence not be used, but any evidence that it leads to can't be used. Let's say the police beat you with the phone book. Get a confession. Well, not only can the confession not be used, but the dead body that they found in the house also could not be used. That is fruit of the poisonous tree. But there is something called the inevitable discovery rule. So if it's inevitable that the police would have discovered it anyway, then it can be used. So let's say they beat you with that phone book. You make the confession. They say, hey, we're going to go get this dead body. And at the same time that they're over there searching, getting this dead body, another police department has got a search warrant for the house. Well, somebody could argue fruit of the poisonous tree, it came from the beating of the phone book. But if they already had a warrant and they were going to search it anyway, inevitable discovery. So the inevitable discovery rule saves it, provided the warrant was legal. This concept gets misapplied sometimes. For example, in a DWI setting, if a police officer messes up on the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, it doesn't mean that fruit of the poisonous tree, everything gets thrown out from here on out. That's not the way it works, because it's not a constitutional violation to mess up on field sobriety. Now, it does mean that the test loses its validity. It does mean that its probative value is outweighed by its prejudicial value, which is why it wouldn't be admissible. But it's only that test that's not admissible. So it's not fruit of the poisonous tree. It is a concept of, hey, we want to make sure that if police are using it, that it is acceptable, scientific, and collected properly. The fruit of the poisonous tree is that there is some kind of constitutional or statutory violation. Different concepts, different uses, gets confusing, but don't be the one to get them confused. Now you know.